Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rathore G, and today we will understand what is the difference between API, SMPP, SMTP, and PowerMTA. So you often use those words, and actually these are the very useful for communicating to the any mail or SMS. So those are the used for communication. So without wasting time, let me just explain API, SMPP, SMTP, and PowerMTA. Those are the way we can communicate to the server. We can connect to the server. So this way we can use the thing API, SMPP, SMTP, and PowerMTA. So let me explain you API. This application programming interface. So any company they are making the program for entering to their server. So that's the application programming interface. We can connect. So this is just like a gate, and you can enter and you can access all the things. So just like that, API we can use, just enter to the server and we can use. So as you have a used API, application programming interface, like a Telnix, many companies, and you can also make your own API to connect to your server. All right. So API you have a use. So suppose you are sending SMS and using Tulio, Nextmode, Telnix, MessageBird, SMS 77, and also there are lots of companies like InfoPeep and lots of companies they are providing APIs, and you can make your own also. So API they will give you a, it's depend on the programming language. You can just simply write a program to connect your server or someone on any server. So they will give you a connectivity, just only it's depend on the configuration. If you program to connect your server, just you can protect via any username, passport, or maybe just a username, and you can also give a port number, and they are users can connect to your server using API. So there depend on the program how you will write and how you are connecting to the people. All right, so this is application programming language, so we can make any way to connect our servers. And SMPP, okay, so using API we can send SMS, emails, we can connect to any server, and anything we can do with this API. Okay, but especially people are using for SMS and for connecting for just like to access the data, and anything we can do like that. But you can also send the SMS using API and SMPP. SMPP is also used, so many people are confused. Just we can send SMS using just simply API. It's not a true. There are so much tons of way you can use, and you can send messages. So SMPP also providing a way just like API to send messages. This is short message peer-to-peer protocol. So SMPP is only designed for SMS to communicating to the telecommunication. All right, so SMPP short message peer-to-peer protocol. So this will just like a Bitcoin network. This is just encrypted, and maybe just like only peer-to-peer means you can use this. You can use SMPP for A2P, means you can use for reselling APIs, reselling SMS servers, and many things you can do with the SMPP. So the only difference is SMPP is only for SMS, and API is all for SMPP is also a API. All right, and SMTP is a simple mail transfer protocol. You can send messages via email. So so SMTP will help you to send messages using any SMTP. So SMTP have a also a username, passport, port number, and a host name. So you can connect your SMTP to any mails software, and you can send a mails easily. But nowadays, one more important thing, using SMTP, people are sending the mails, but it's not working in our country. This is only work for US and Canada, because there is a carrier AT&T and Verizon, T-Mobile. There are carriers, because USA is very good company, and there are so talented persons and very good technology. They are providing open source everything to use, but they have lots of security as well. And same like PowerMTA. This is also used for sending emails, message transfer agent. If you think about this, what is the difference between SMTP and PowerMTA? So the delivery rate of PowerMTA is more than SMTP, because this is a more powerful email server, messaging transfer agent. You can connect your server. If you enter the power mta, it's just like smtp, but just name is changed, message transfer agent. This is agent and this is protocol. It means you need to enter username, passport, and port number, and host name, and from email, and lot more thing you need to add there. And power mta also same, but this is the only difference. Just like a same, it will also give you a username, passport, port number, host name, just like that. So there are the port name are different types of port you can connect. It's depend also on the your configuration, how you are making a power mta, and also how you are making a smtps. Both are you can create if you have any server. All right, so I thought this is very important to teach you, so that's why I made this video. Because API, SMPP, SMTP, Power MTA, they have people's have many confusion, but after this video you will understand each and everything about just basic idea about API, SMPP, SMTP, and Power MTA. So there are the terms of the company are giving you API, SMPP, SMTP. So let me just I'll tell you one more time. API, it's an application programming interface. People are writing a program to connect their servers. You can add any username, password, maybe username, password, any variable you can give to connect your server. SMPP is just only for the SMS, for reselling SMS, and it's a good way. It's more than API. SMPP, you can send SMS, and SMTP for the mail transfer protocol, but also you can send the SMS using SMTP. But in a few countries like USA and Canada, Power MTA is just message transfer agent. You can send message more than SMTP. So all the things I've just told you. So if you think this is useful, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching once again. Bye bye. Have a nice day.